This is the oldest nature center in the state, and that's good that we're still around and still growing.
Time goes by so fast when you're having fun.
To see particularly young people responding to the offerings of Bear Creek Nature Center is exciting and rewarding and renewing.
I love going on hikes. I mean, when we were little, we would just be sent out and we could just hike, and it was just so fun for me, like coming out here and being excited about like every little thing, like every little piece of, like nature. It was just so exciting back then, and so that was definitely fun for me.
Working at the Nature Center and volunteering with the Nature Centers, it just really opened my eyes to all the opportunities that are out there. And it really got me involved in something that I loved, which is working outside and in the environment with kids. I think it's crazy that to think about the Nature Center being 40 and having impacted that many kids, those many kids. And I mean, the kids that started out teaching are now adults. So I know that there's a lot of teachers that would come that they had been coming here for years and years, and they were just so excited to bring their classes every year. So I think that it being 40 has really just impacted so many generations of people.
Bear Creek's getting older. You don't get older, you get better.
I think being 40 years old means that the people in this area really want the Nature Center. That was shown when they helped rebuild it, when they voted for extra tax money to keep us going, to increase the number of interpreters that we have. So I think 40 needs to be celebrated, that we've been here that long. There was just a burned out building and a couple of mobile home type things out in the parking lot, and that's when we first heard about the building burning down.
It was kind of a prank that got out of hand. I think, as I understood, a trash can got caught on fire, and before anybody could do anything about it or discover it, it had spread to the building and just took care of the whole building.
It was scary because we could have lost more of the park.
It was a sad day for all of us.
And then there was that period of time of not having the funds and then going to the people. So I did my part. I know I voted for it, and I told everybody that I knew and everybody in the neighborhood that we needed to make sure those tax dollars were allotted to building a new nature center.
I hope that they have at least 40 more years. As we've talked about the changing world, there's a stability here, there's a beauty here, there's a support here which cannot be matched anywhere else in the community.